It's that time of the week to step on that scale. Let's do it. It looks like 303, and I've lost 2 pounds. I'm happy about that. Into a castle that's apparently it's an old building. It's a restaurant or something. I don't know. I'm nervous. It's haunted. I'm resisting the wine and opted for a glass of water. Being good today. Gotcha. I gotcha. Ow, you bit my eye. Good morning. Sitting outside with the dogs. Trying to figure out what I'm going to do today. They're full of energy. So am I. Thinking I might go to the beach today. Yeah. Beach day. Currently in Orlando, Florida. Gonna be going to the beach today. I already told you that, I think. But I'm halfway there. Gonna go with my sister, her husband. And there's this duck right here. Check out the ducks. Cheers. Cheers. No carbs, no sugar.
A little bit of mayonnaise.
Out here and enjoying the beach. I'm scared I'm gonna get hit by a football. They're flying everywhere.
Here at Cocoa Beach, having some tequila. No carbs and Jamie's. Keto all the way.
Day vacay.
On vacation, it's just a day off.
Yeah, he's a day vacay. Oh my god. Doggy just doing. Oh, I just missed it. There he goes. Look at that. Look at that pup. Look at, there he goes. He was tired. He needed a break. Rock. Anyhow, she got sunscreen in her eye. Now how you're gonna have pink eye from me drinking after that. Blue 42. What? Chris said go after the ball.
I don't want to catch it that hard. Is this on video?
Is it recording?
Wait, how do
What are you doing? It's recording already.
Alright, let me switch it to where videos like this.
No, stop hitting that button. We suck. We've got the genes where we cannot play football.
Hold on.
What?
This time on Hungry to Peppertooth.
Hungry to Peppertooth? What is it? It's almond tooth. Keto almond tooth, here to stay. It's saying it's inspiring quote.
Okay.
Okay, so you want to be at the beach right now. You have to see it to want it. You have to want it
Never died before.
to see it. You're listening to tequila drinkers.
Live like you've never died.
Tequila drinkers on keto. I'm interested. This is going to be 2 weeks. I've had tequila.
Okay,
No
let me
sugar,
say
no
it.
carbs.
Very sugar.
Well, let me explain something first.
You
I've had.
work to live. You do not live to work.
That's exactly right. You don't live to work.
You
work
eat to live. You don't live to eat.
You live for Peppertooth. We live to eat, and we always have. Listen, we're here at the beach. We are so lucky. Admit it. We're lucky, right, Brent?
We're lucky.
What are you laughing at? We're blessed.
Brent's been looking at butts all day.
There's butts everywhere out here. I'm gonna sway the camera and you're gonna see 13 butts. 13. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Skip. I think I skipped some numbers. I think I went 1, 2, 3, 4, 7, 11, 12, 13. Too much tequila. Whoa. Whoa. So we're gonna go in reality and out of reality. You ready? Go to a bright place, wear sunglasses all day, then take them off. Oh my God, reality. Okay, she's gonna vlog. Get me.
Alright, I will vlog. I have been the one true person that has been on the journey with that guy for 20. How old are you?
Show this.
How old are you?
Paka!
For this time, mayonnaise will not get to him.
Yeah, I can eat mayonnaise now. Your thumbs in front of the camera.
Circa 1994, Baconaise isn't gonna matter anymore.
Cheetos. Yeah, I can have Baconaise now. Your thumb every time.
Tequila Beach, beach days at Tequila. This is the year for my baby brother. Mark my word. 2018 will be a different year for this big bear. Cut.
What in the world was that about? Can anyone explain that? That's called too much tequila. Right here.
When we used to go to the beach, I was Antarctica and Jane was Australia. So I would say, hi, my name is Antarctica. It's my brother, Australia.
Hello, mate. I'm from Australia. My name is also Australia.
Why would we do that?
Because we were stupid.
Ah! Time for sausage, biscuits, and gravy. Chevy Checkers with cheese sticks on them.
Oh, did you hear about the cheese stick burger from Checkers? Checkers has a new burger that has cheese
This
sticks.
is the problem. Our family is inherently addicted to food.
Oh no, because they just got the cheese. Way too many people. Too crowded. And we think we're gonna get a table to eat. No. Not happening. Sorry. What is happening right now? It is.
Big bear
Oh, there you
ran
are.
right into me. The big guy just ran right into me. That's
There-
David?
yeah, there's nothing. We walked around the whole thing. Oh, hey! Oh, she thinks she's gonna find a table, but she's not going to. There's no way. Okay, so see that $1.99 deal for a medium iced coffee and a donut? I'm gonna enjoy the iced coffee. I'm gonna let them have the donut. I'm gonna be a good person like that.
I want 2 donuts though.
Well, you and Brent can split it. Brent can eat 2 donuts.
We could save it for tomorrow.
I'm not gonna eat it. I'm gonna be good. I'm gonna be the person who usually takes the extra food. I'm gonna give that food away. Coffee time. I got
Yours
it.
are just that.
Port in this cruise ship is leaving the Disney Wonder. Man, I wish I was on there right now. We're here gonna have some dinner, and they're on vacation. How jealous am I? My vacation's over today because it was just a 1-day vacation. Wow. The Disney Wonder. Bon voyage. That was a car horn, not a boat horn. There's Kristen. Kristen! I might get the shark kebabs if they're carb free. You never know. That's different. Old shark kebabs. So the restaurant we just went to was way too crowded because spring break, everything's crowded. It's ridiculous. I hate it. And now we're going to Fish Lips. We're going to check that out and see. From the looks of it, it looks like it's crowded too. But we're going to check it out. Oh, what's tuna poke? Oh, it's got rice.
Tortilla cheese sticks.
What's Hona crab? What is it, just a whole crab? Kind of looks good. Mussels? I think that's what I'm going to go for, the peel and eat shrimp. This is our view. We actually found a table here in all these busy restaurants. I got my water. We're enjoying ourselves right here looking at these old tugboats.
What is that?
Of food. This is mine. I'm excited to eat this. Let me give this away. Whoever wants that, that's not mine. Yeah, let's get some Remoulade. Well, the day at the beach is ending. The donuts they saved for dessert, and I told them to eat them in the car without me. So now I'm sitting here watching them. Is it good? Brent's not eating his? Chocolate tooth. All right, I'm walking away. Well, it was a good day at the beach. Sad we're leaving. Wish I was on vacation staying for a while, but you know what? I'm very lucky. I'm very lucky and very blessed that I live so close to the beach. Such a wonderful place to visit. Water is life. Stay true to my diet. Have a little liquor. Again, I did it this weekend again. You know what? I did it in moderation. No sugar, no carbs. Let's hope for a good week again. So I'm going to leave you with this beautiful view. And until next time, I'm Jamie. And this is, say it.
Hungry to vlog.
Hungry dude.
Yes, you say hungry to vlog.
I say hungry to. I'm Jamie, and this is Hungry to Vlog.
So you say hungry to vlog.
No, I don't really sing it. I say I'm Jamie.
Choose like
I say
every word.
I'm Jamie, and this is
So you never say hungry to vlog.
Hungry to
Hungry to
Vlog.
vlog.
I say hungry to vlog. So hungry to.
You say hungry to.
Hungry to Vlog. That's it. That's all she wrote. No more view on the highway. That was it.